Lying in bed with her legs wrapped in bandages.
That feels so good.
It's the new normal for Mary Wallette. She's been at Harborview Medical Center for more than 2 months. And in all that time,
that's what I'm best at, rubbing her feet and bending your head.
her husband Jerry has not left her side.
And whatever happens, as long as we have each other, we don't care.
Especially after what happened on August 10th.
I don't remember any of the accident or anything.
Mary was driving to a friend's house in Polson, Montana, but never made it.
So I was just sure she broke down somewhere because our van's old. So I left the house, took a left, and I came upon the accident scene. And I just knew I'd lost her.
A driver crashed into her head-on, and she was flown to Harborview.
They saved me.
Almost everything from her neck down was broken, and her bleeding was difficult to get under control.
And there was some moments during her first surgery where I was concerned that she wouldn't even survive that first day here.
But Dr. Daphne Beingessner says they knew they could fix her.
She's a miracle worker.
Now, nearly a dozen surgeries later,
Does it feel good to be sitting up like this?
Mary is out of bed for the first time.
It's like angels.
And to come here and have the care, not only the quality care, but the personal care. You know,
Tenderness.
yeah, they're all just sweet.
As she takes recovery at her own pace, each milestone takes her closer to going back to work, back to spending time with family,
This is just heavenly.
and back to enjoying life with Jerry on her own 2 bandage-free legs.
I can get well. I can do it.
From the UW Medicine Newsroom in Seattle, I'm Katie Chen.
Oh.